Hey guys, I'm Jake Sensei, and today I'm going to be talking about sound effects in anime. As fans, we hear them all the time, so much that I can't imagine watching a show without. You may be wondering how those noises were created. Well, during the 1970s, audio engineers were being introduced to the anime industry. What they did was alter sounds from Hollywood and Disney cartoons. In other words, they took pre-existing sounds to create new sounds. Interestingly enough, these producers avoided using organic sounds due to low budgets. Plus, they wanted to meet their deadlines. It's also worth noting that Fizz Sound Creation has created sound for the most popular anime out there, including Over the years, these reversions have been reused over and over again. They're so iconic that they've been used outside of anime, especially in memes. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you liked this video, don't be afraid to hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, show your support and subscribe. What sounds do you think are iconic? Leave a comment below. I'm out.